Imagine building a project in your room, and within a few months, it gets featured across a platform over 5 million electronic enthusiasts and industry leaders watching. Sounds unreal. Well, that's exactly what the AIoT Design Challenge 2026 is all about. India's premier electronic design challenge, sponsored by DigiKey, is officially live. Hello everyone, welcome back to Electronics for You. I am Yantra, and today I am here to tell you about an exciting opportunity that can help turn your project ideas into real working prototypes. The AIoT Design Challenge 2026 is officially live, with a total prize pool worth Rs 6 lakhs. And here's what makes this challenge truly unique. Selected projects might have a chance to get featured on the platform of electronicsforyou.com. Winners will get the chance to get featured on the Electronics for You magazine and across our social channels. This year's challenge features some incredible development boards. We have boards from Analog Devices, M5 Stack, and Arduino, which will help you build anything from smart sensors to edge AI prototypes. You can get these boards directly from DigiKey or through its local logistic partner, AQtronics. Thanks to our sponsors, DigiKey. They're one of the world's largest electronic components distributor, trusted by over 3,000 manufacturers, with more than 18 million electronic components all in stock and ready for shipment worldwide. The registration is completely free, and you'll get all the resources to help build your winning entry. Now, let's talk about the rewards, because this is important. The winner will receive a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh. The first runner-up will receive a cash prize of Rs 30,000, whereas the second runner-up will receive a cash prize of Rs 20,000. And not just that, selected 15 most popular project will receive a cash prize of Rs 5,000 each, selected entirely by public voting. Additionally, selected 50 finalists will receive a development grant of Rs 6,000 to buy boards and components from DigiKey. The first 500 professionals will receive a Flipkart voucher worth Rs 150 just by registering. And the real prize? Visibility. So even if you don't win, your project may live on a public platform, building your name and credibility forever. Registering is super simple. Go to the official challenge page, digikey.electronicsforyou.com/challenge, with the link in the description. Click on register now and fill in your details. If you're a professional, use a professional email ID to qualify the early registration benefit. Here's the schedule. Mark your calendars. The registration opens on June 15th, whereas the abstract submission closes on July 29th, 2026. Submit your ideas, and your ideas may be selected amongst the top 500 qualified abstracts. The next step will be the project draft submission, from which the top 50 will be selected for board purchase. The final step will be the project submission, which will be in the form of an article along with the video proof. And then the public voting will begin. So yes, if you're interested, don't wait for too long to receive the early registration benefit. Now, coming to the eligibility. Who can participate? Industry professionals can participate, students can participate, hobbyists can participate, and basically anyone who has the passion for building electronic projects can still roll in. The only one rule: your project must include an IoT element. Think smart healthcare, industrial automation, predictive maintenance, edge AI, or basically anything that connects and solves a real-world problem. Now, this is the kind of opportunity that changes your trajectory as a maker. You learn, build, and document, and get your work seen by more than 5 million industry enthusiasts and leaders. So, if you have been sitting on a project idea, this is your sign. Go to the link in the description below and register, and let us know in the comments, what are you planning to build? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Electronics for You, because technology drives us.